How to fix Instagram filters not working. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to fix Instagram filters not working. So let's begin. There are actually two ways I can suggest in fixing this issue. The first one is go ahead on your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then once you have searched for Instagram, make sure that the app has been updated already. So if it is still not updated, click on the update button and then wait for it to finish updating. And then if it still doesn't work, the second option that I would suggest is to open your settings, click on General, click on iPhone storage, search for Instagram, and then click on Offload app right here. And then once you have offloaded the app, reinstall it by clicking on reinstall right here as well. And if it still doesn't work, what I would suggest is you go ahead on your favorite web browser such as Safari and type in Instagram support. So once you're in Instagram support, you may click on it and then you may type in the problem that you are having. So you may also go to directly to Instagram, click on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen, click on the three lines, go to settings, and then go to help and click on report a problem, and then you may shake your phone or you may also um, click on report problem without shaking. Type in your problem, click on next, and simply follow the steps needed. So that's it. That's how you can fix Instagram filters not working. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.